This is Harry's Hot Wheel truck. Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it on.
Right, turn it on.
Oh,
Alright, push one.
whoa! Oh my god!
Oh my god! I never heard this door.
Oh!
Oh, we have a crash.
No, we have Clash of World Champions!
Let's do
Sort it
another
up.
one.
This is better than the PlayStation, isn't it, Harry?
Yeah! Okay, we're gonna try a new challenger.
He probably will be a champion. Oh.
That was a crash!
Major
That was
crash.
the first try. Don't worry, he'll get better at it.
Just try him all on his own. Let's get the 2 champions first.
And let's try him on his own, see what he does. He might be a bit too fast.
Yeah, he's too fast.
Yeah, of course he is.
I think Daddy's in that car.
Whoa!
Nice one.